Hi, this is Greg. I wanted to show you an overhead projector. If you can't draw, this is an easy way where you can make patterns like I do for signs. I use this one here. Sometimes I use one like this, like maybe when you were in 8th grade during science class, or the teacher would write up on here and it'd shine up on the board if you're old enough to know what that is. And it uses sheets like this. Just like this one. The light passes through it and it'll shine up on this board. Or use one like this. This one's kind of neat because you can open up the top, you put your little picture in here, and this one will actually do color photos like this. And we could shine him up here on the wall. And then you could quickly draw him. And it's pretty easy. If you can't draw, this is the thing to do. Is something like this or like the other one. You can pick them up at garage sales, some kind of, just go online, Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. You can find these overhead projectors. And they're real easy to use and a lot of fun. Let me set it up. We'll turn off the lights. I hope I won't get too scared, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Well, if you say you can't draw, this is it. All you have to do is, if you want this bigger, you back the machine up. You can make it as big as a wall. If you want Mickey to be a little bit smaller, you just pull it closer. It's that easy. You just focus it in, take your pencil, draw around, and presto. You can draw signs as good as me, probably even better. And you know what is really fun is this is great for making shadow puppets. Woo, 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 woo. Now isn't that fun? All right, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.